So this is Sunita here for Vastram Vanakkam. Here is a very exotic collection of tussar and kalamkari and something more. Let's open up the sari to understand what more. This is a kalamkari, pen kalamkari, hand painted blouse part of the sari. This is a authentic kalamkari done part of the sari, which is a blouse part. Then what makes it so special? Then this open out to be a wonderful, excellent, exotic looking. That's a pallu, okay? That's a pallu in pure tussar silk, and the speciality is going to unveil. That is the bandage. Yes, it's a bandage done kalamkari. Color is such a beautiful red she is. There goes zigzag weavings, hatrabani. Pallu and blouse is pen kalamkari done, and the body part starts like this. This is an unpolished pure bandage hand and bandhani sari with nice highlighting Gujarati borders at the edge. This is also bandage done with colors. The whole body is nice dark red. The red is not reflecting here. And the sleeve, the pallu part is kalamkari. The first end of the sari is a nice wavy design. That's the pallu, that's the blouse, and the body happens to have these designs. So the entire sari happens to have bandage, very intricately, very delicately done, carefully done bandage all throughout with those highlighting borders. Pure tussar silk, happy summer collection. It's a beautiful festive collection for summer. You can just flaunt the sari once the finishing is done. We will send the sari as such. We are not doing finishing unless you ask for it, and because it's totally up to the finished part that you will go for. If you want, we can finish and give you. If you don't want, we can just send it. We generally send it the same way. Wow, that's the design. Look at those design, variations from the pallu to the body nallu. You have 2-3 patterns happening. After the first half a meter, then this patterns of small checks and bigger checks inside a complete cubicle of check has happened. That's the sari, that's the border. It's going to be amazing collection, priced at 22,500. An exotic, exclusive boutique collection for our wonderful clients. This is again a happy shopping experience, I think, because I see this is very unique and different, and you're going to really enjoy having this collection. It's soft folly. This red is even more darker red when you get that, and this is the arak red that we call. The typical kalamkari colors are here. Original pen kalamkari, authentic pen kalamkaris, and the pallu, the body, and the pallu has got those beautiful parrots, and the blouse has got floral beans all throughout, and that's the sari in total for you. Look at the beauty. She's one of a kind, beautiful parrot this is, and that's the bandage for you. Happy shopping. Bye.